Milk Moover is the industry-leading dairy merchandising system. The Milk Moover with easy clean and best glides ever technology give retail the clean product flow that dairy expects and needs. The Milk Moover is designed to handle every merchandising variation in your dairy cooler by utilizing the full width behind your doors and adding 15% more facings. We do this by using narrow upright posts, allowing for the widest shelf possible. Our patented blade divider is 1/8 inch wide, leaving more room for products. Side product stops are incorporated into the shelf to maximize the shelf width. The automatic first-in, first-out product rotation minimizes waste in the dairy cooler by having older products in sellable positions, helping the dairy manager manage product expiration dates. Built to a customer specification to eliminate setup time, the Milk Moover comes in multiple widths, heights, and depths, along with being portable or stationary. The Milk Moover has built-in spill management systems to make it easier for employees to keep the dairy cooler clean. The innovative Easy Clean dual glide sheet system with best glides ever technology allows employees to clean spills and eliminates downtime for shoppers. The drip trays are for the front or customer side, and drip pans are underneath, working to minimize the spread of any spills. Drip trays and drip pans are made from fully recycled materials. Bumper system with anti-twist brace to properly space mover from the cooler are essential to proper alignment. The BOF glide sheet is engineered with best glides ever technology, allowing it to flow products effectively and to have a 10-year durable life. Included is a BOF Easy board to help employees keep track of cleaning schedules. The front product stop is designed to be used two different ways. For gallon products, be sure to turn the stop to allow customers to remove the gallons without causing spills. Reduce labor costs with the simplicity of Milk Moover by enhancing the customer experience with the cleanest system. Milk Moover is the most trusted merchandising system in the industry. Contact BOF to learn how to upgrade your shelving.